If your Google Chrome stop working, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Google Chrome keep crashing. So in this so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So there is a few way or method you can use, and you can get right on the if your Chrome browser stop working. So let's start with the video. Okay, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. First, I suggest you open the Chrome browser. There is some normal methods, or you can see process you have to follow. First, you have to check if your Chrome browser up to date or not. Just click on the three dot option, go to the help, and go to the Google Chrome, about Google Chrome, and here you can see if your Chrome up to date or not. So in my case, my Chrome browser is up to date, but if in your Chrome, if it is not up to date, so it will be start update automatically here, and then after update you will see the option here to relaunch. Just click on it, your Chrome browser will be relaunched. Okay, and second step, just click on three dot option, go to the settings, and here we need to go in the reset and clean up. So here you can restore the settings to their original default. So it won't be affect your bookmark history and save password. It is only action will reset the Chrome settings, Chrome shortcut. It will be disable extension also. You can enable again if you want, and delete the cookies and other temporary site data. So you can reset the settings. And second thing, the next thing is you can clear up the computer. Just scan your computer if there is any harmful software which is affecting your Chrome browser. Just find it. So if there is a app or any software in your computer that affecting your Chrome browser, it will be show here after scan. Then just go to the control panel. Just come to the search bar on window, type the control panel, and here just go to the programs, go to the uninstalled programs here, and here just find out that software, just right click on it and uninstall it. Okay, now so this two step you have to take. Now maybe your Chrome problem will be under 99% solved, but if still there, so last step you have to take that. Just go open the control panel, find out your Chrome browser and uninstall it. After install, just come to the any browser like Edge browser or any Internet Explorer browser. So I just use Edge. If okay, so I'm using the Windows 10, so I have Edge, Microsoft Edge here. So you can use any other browser and type here download Chrome. Then you will find the first link which is official from Google, and download your Chrome browser from here and install it. So now your Chrome browser will be refreshed and you can use it easily, but it will be delete your history, your bookmarks, your password, everything will be gone. But I suggest you use the Google account and just on the synchronize, just on your synchronize, then your all bookmark and history will be saved on your login to your Google account. And when you open a new Chrome browser, you have to log in with the same email ID. Then start the synchronize on the Google Chrome, new Google Chrome. Then your all browsing history and all bookmarks will be restored in your new Chrome. And if you don't want to do this, so I suggest you don't uninstall the Chrome browser. What you do, just go to the just open your Chrome browser and download Chrome. Just search here and go to the Google Chrome and download the browser and reinstall it without deleting. Okay, then it will be save your all bookmarks and history. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.